Richard Ratke. Today I'm going to do a review on multiple income funnel and all the costs. But before I get to the costs, let me show you everything that you get with it. First of all, if you look at links here, that means it's a link attached to each capture page, and you can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one depending where I'm sending the thing to. And then you get all this training with it. First of all, you get weekly training calls. Then you get help with your marketing. It shows you all the things you can do to improve your marketing. That's all included. Then you go back into their training again, and you get a 7-step training, which basically says work on you, which means work on your personality. Then on step 2, it shows you how and where to get traffic. Step 3 shows you how to follow up. Step 4 shows you how to do YouTube. Step 5, or lesson 5, shows you how to do Facebook. Lesson 6 shows you how to block some time so you can do this business. And then 7, you have a bunch more bonuses in there. Then if you go back into the system again, you here, if you go and look at the leads, once you start advertising, look at all the leads you get. And there's an email with each lead. And so you can do a follow-up, which you should do because people are not usually going to join just from looking at it one time. They want a little more information, so you can follow up and give them more information. And of course, the company also follows up, which helps too. And then if you go there, you see who's on the leaderboard. And if you go to resources, it shows you some follow-up examples of emails you can use. You can use them or you can use your own. It's entirely up to you. But you should definitely follow up with the people because most people are not going to join from one time looking at it. Then if you go into My Businesses, it shows you all your businesses that you're joined under. And if you go into My Bonus, it shows you your bonus income. And this is another thing I use. I have lead generation. It only costs me $1 a day and I get 100 leads. So at the end of the month, I have 3,000 leads and that keeps accumulating. And I can send them every day and I do. And it also an affiliate program that you can make money with it. And and to sending out your leads with the system is all included, so that's a heck of a good deal. So, okay, that pretty well covers all the things you get. So let's go back now. Let's say that you like all this stuff. I want to give you the costs now. First of all, if you look at this video here, Matt explains how to do it, shows you the whole system and how to get started and everything else. And if you decide that you want to do that, the cost for that is usually $97, pardon me. And right now they have it on special for $49 a month. And if somebody joins you under that, you make a $20 commission. And then you have step 2 and 3. You can put, if you have your own opportunities ready, you can put them in there. If you don't, you can use the ones I use if you want to. And they're both good opportunities and they each only cost me under $10 a month. Then you have Traffic Authority, which is free to join. And then it depends how many leads you get on the cost. So if you get more leads, it costs more money, but it's not cheaper per lead. Okay, I think that pretty well covers all the costs. So what else I want to do? I want to put a link under the video so that you can watch Matt do this presentation. He does a better job than I do. And with that same link, you can also join the system. And I'm also going to put my contact information under there so that you can contact me to ask me more questions. So again, beautiful weather here. I hope it's beautiful where you are and that you're enjoying your weekend and your Sunday and all that. So that's all I'm going to tell you for today. So we'll talk to you another time. Bye for now.